everybody, this is Christy from Kitty_plants on Instagram. I do memory planning in my A5 wide planner and Sadie stickers inserts. And for this week, I will be using this December 2023 mystery kit from Sadie Stickers. It's so beautiful. I know it's an older format, but yeah, I just love the colors, and this will be for the first week of February. And usually I like using pink kits for February, so I thought there was a touch of pink and also some winter theme in it as well. So yeah, do stick around while I put down the base, and I'll talk to you in a while. Alright, so for the sidebar, I'm using this sidebar for the Pretty Pinko because it has like a wintry scene on it, like the snowflake. So I'm like, yeah, it's perfect. And also the colors of this kit is more wintry themed, or at least a pastel wintry theme, maybe with grays and pinks. So and also like with the lanterns, and being in Japan might be like, yeah, being in Japan for this one, I feel like it's that theme, that kind of theme, and it's just so pretty. So I did do some tilted boxes. Now I haven't done tilted boxes in a while, but I still have the other full boxes in like a in a column. But yeah, I just love playing with this kit, even if I didn't have a lot of deco to play with. It was more of the full boxes that I was trying to put in this base, because yeah, we work with what we have, and the florals here are so pretty. So I think that's about it. Just more of this very spare deco, because older kit now. And some of this foil as well that accompanies this mystery kit. So yeah, I think that's for the base. All right, so for Monday, I was reading. I finished My Husband's Wife. Is that correct? Yes, My Husband's Wife by Alice Feeney. Is this the one? Yeah. So this is the one where, the wife was out on a run, and then when she got back to the house, it's like they don't recognize her as as the wife. So she was locked out of the house. And she was like, and the husband didn't know her. There was a new wife in the house. So yeah, that's the premise of that story. So it's so interesting, such an interesting premise. And then there was lots of secrets, and I was trying to figure out what's happening. And then I was listening to it on audio, so that's why there were some really nice atmospheric dubs. And then it was very well paced. It kept me really interested. And then yeah, it's just such a messy story, but it was so good. It felt like kind of beautiful ugly, but then sort of. But yeah, the twist was until the very last page. So yeah, I really enjoyed that book, My Husband's Wife by Alice Feeney. And then I did watch. I was watching the what's it, Wonder Man on Disney Plus. I didn't really understand the story, and I'm like trying to watch it, but then yeah, I didn't finish it. One of another didn't finish. And then I also started Steel, which is the one with Sophie Turner, the one from Game of Thrones, the Stark sister. Yeah, it's a pretty good series on, I think it was on Prime. I enjoyed it, but there were a lot of commercials, ads this time. So I'm like, oh my goodness. But I really enjoyed the story. And then on Tuesday, I was reading this time or listening to Aftertaste. Oh my gosh, that's another good story. So the Aftertaste, you'll get hungry listening or reading to this book, because it's about a man who's able to see ghosts of people he cooks for. So it's such a unique story, and it's sort of a love story of sorts. And then the guy is able to sense a dead person when he cooks their very favorite meal, or at least their most memorable meal. So yeah, it's a very interesting story. It's a bit sad. It's also about grief and all, but yeah, I enjoyed that story as well. So that was Aftertaste. And then next up, I was able to edit a plan with me, and then I did sleep early. Maybe I woke up too early. All right. So on Wednesday, we did get some takeout of some peri peri chicken. I went for a grocery run. And then I did the voice-over for the third week of December. Oh my gosh, this is like so long ago. This is first week of Feb. So I did use so if you can see that takeout and the bucket beside the icon, that is from JK Creates Co. So that's a new icon for me. And then that voiceover icon is actually from Paper Muse Craft. Is it Paper Muse Crafts? Yeah, she doesn't sell any stickers anymore. So yeah, that is the first half of this week. All right. So on Thursday, what happened on Thursday? The new Lincoln Lawyer season 4, was it? Is out. So that's what we started watching. I was also watching Steel at the same time, but also the Lincoln Lawyer is such a good series. It's like, yeah, the stories are like, yeah, yep, yeah. So it's like court scenes as well as trying some action that happens with, some people going around. So yeah, that's Lincoln Lawyer. I think that was on Netflix, so at least no commercials for that. And then I got some Happy Meal from PBC sale. So yeah, that's good. And then I was also able to walk for about 30 minutes. I'm not sure if I walked, like used our, like, the what do you call it? The treadmill, or if I walked outside. Maybe I'd use the treadmill because this is February, so it's still cold outside. So that's what I probably did. All right. So on Friday, what were we shopping for? Oh, I was looking for a gift, a birthday gift again, because my daughter was going to go to a birthday party the next day. So that's what I was looking for. And then I also bought 2 books. I can't remember now what books I've bought, but yeah. So that shop thing script is from Blissful Jayde Design. So I get most of my black scripts or customized scripts from her shop. And I also have a code with her. It's Christy15 if you want to get anything from her shop. And then I also went on a grocery run. So I did go to Costco to get some water and a few other stuff. You'll always buy something from out there. Even though you said you're just going to buy one thing, you buy a lot. All right, and then I think I had me and my husband did eat out at Buffalo Wild Wings. We hadn't eaten there for a long time, and oh my gosh, the grease and the salt. Oh goodness, yeah. But sometimes cheat day. And then next, I was reading Beautyland. This is actually another really good book. uh it's a girl who was born through normal, like had a mother and a father, but it's like she came from another planet, so she's here to observe everything that happens in life, and it's just such a funny it's comedic at times but also serious, and like being alone in the world. So yeah, it's sort of sad as well, but also very funny. And she would report back to her like a planet via a fax machine. So yeah, it's so it's so good. So I again enjoyed that one. And then I did upload my Christmas spread for 2025. Oh my goodness. And then I had to go bring my daughter to the birthday party that she was attending. And then on Sunday I was still binge watching and we finished Lincoln Lawyer. That was so quick. My goodness, it was a binge watch or marathon watching. I did have some time for some journaling sesh. And what else happened? Oh, I was able to walk again for 30 minutes. So that is great. So yeah, that is actually it for this week. I just love those silver foiled icons from the kit. And I think I'll just be doing a, what do you call this, like a wiggle of the very beautiful foil of this spread. So yeah, that is it for this week. These are the leftovers that I have. So I pretty much have used all the deco. Yeah, this is the December 2023 mystery kit from Sadie Stickers. It's so pretty in the full spread. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.